Hi there, my name is Juliana Anderson, and I am just recording our tubular organs video. So I'm going to follow in your suit and focus on the duodenum here. Starting with the layer that is closest to the lumen, we're going to have the tunica mucosa, and that is going to be represented here in black. Our little A layer in that tunica mucosa layer is going to be simple columnar epithelium. And that's the lamina epithelius mucosa, and they're going to be, like I said, simple columnar cells with little nuclei at the base here. And then B, labeled in this picture, is going to be the lamina propria mucosa. It's going to consist of loose connective tissue, so that's going to make collagen fibers. We're going to have, my little black dots are fibroblasts, blood vessels, here are kind of the open circles, and lymphocytes, which are more solidly black circles because of where we're at in the intestine. And then our last layer in the tunica mucosa layer is going to be the lamina muscularis mucosa. Because it is smooth muscle, we're going to have spindle-shaped cells with our little guys here. And just a thin layer, and that's C there. So black is going to be our tunica mucosa. Then let's do blue for our tunica submucosa, our next layer. Dense, irregular connective tissue. Gonna have collagen fibers again, fibroblasts represented by my black dots, blood vessels represented by my open circles here, and most importantly, the submucosal plexus. The submucosal plexus, here labeled A in blue, is going to be a motor ganglia with very large neuronal cell bodies. These large neuronal cell bodies are going to have offset nuclei, again, motor ganglia. And that makes up our tunica submucosa layer. Moving farther in still, away from that lumen, we're going to have the tunica muscularis, my personal favorite layer. It's going to be smooth muscle. It can have a circular and a longitudinal rings, but we're just going to draw one of those layers here because you did that and because I have a limited artistic talent. Those are going to consist of spindle-shaped cells with nuclei again, and there are going to be some little blood vessels in here in green because it's freaking muscle, so it needs something to feed it there. And then it has my enteric plexus, so again, really big, large neuronal cell bodies, with offset nuclei, another motor ganglion there to help tell that what to do. So that's labeled A in green, and that composes our tunica muscularis layer. For our fourth and final layer in kind of this pinky red, we're going to have tunica serosa. This could have been tunica adventitia, but because we're in the duodenum, as I said earlier, we're going to be tunica serosa. So that's going to have two different kind of layers here. We're going to have the mesothelium, which is a simple squamous epi with one layer of squamous cells. Trying to make them seem kind of funky shaped. All of my drawings look a little funky shaped. And then it's also going to have a loose connective tissue layer. So again, broken record, collagen fibers, fibroblasts, and some blood vessels. This looks like your picture. Hopefully that's a compliment, not an insult with my drawing skills, but we'll see. And again, coming from the lumen out, we're going to have our tunica mucosa layer in black, our tunica submucosa in blue, our tunica muscularis in green, and our tunica serosa in pink. I am going to try and show you what this looks like here. Hopefully you can see that okay. And hopefully I didn't bore you to death. I hope you have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye.